Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to add crosshair in Valorant. So without any further ado, let's head into our video. The first thing, once you open the game, what you're going to do, head over to settings, over top right, by clicking this wheel, and you go settings. And after you enter settings, what you're going to do is, in this tab, general controls, crosshair, video, audio, you want to click on crosshair. And after you've done that, what you're going to do is, you see this crosshair profile, there's drag menu. So once you click on the drag menu, this icon, you're gonna click on create new profile and give it a name like my new crosshair, right? And after that, we can adjust it. Go to primary and you will adjust whatever you like accordingly. And that's how you create a new crosshair in Valorant. I hope it helps. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to our channel at Maple Gaming. And don't forget to hit that bell button icon to get latest updates of our video.